5 ways to get rid of stretch marks naturally. Stretch marks are a common problem for both men and women, and they often tend to have an effect on people's confidence. Whether it's due to pregnancy or sudden weight gain, this is one physical feature that can be commonly seen on the waist, thighs, lower backs, hips, breasts, arms, and buttocks. Normally, stretch marks appear as bands of parallel lines on your skin. These lines are a different color and texture than your normal skin. They appear when the dermal layer of the skin is suddenly stretched, as in the case of pregnancy. Here are a few ways to clear up stretch marks naturally. 1. Argan Oil. Vitamin E enriched argan oil increases the elasticity of skin, and rubbing it on the stretch marks might heal the broken tissues, gradually making the marks fade. 2. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is known for its natural bleaching properties, so it helps reduce the visibility effectively. Use fresh lemon juice daily or simply rub a sliced lemon wedge on your marks to see results. 3. Egg white. High in proteins and amino acids, egg white is a superfood for the skin. When applied on stretch marks, egg white will help lighten the marks while also tightening the skin. 4. Potato juice. Potatoes contain starch and other skin lighting enzymes, which is why they are often used to lighten dark circles, spots and blemishes from the skin. It bleaches the skin and effectively reduces the visibility of stretch marks when applied regularly. 5. Aloe Vera Gel. Remove the outer layer of the aloe vera leaf and take out the sticky gel from the inside of the leaf. Use the aloe vera gel on stretch marks and wash off with water. Thank you for watching this. If you find this video informative, do like and subscribe, and let us know in the comment below about sharing your thought in this. See you in the next video, and until then stay tuned to aid the student.